Okay, we're doing a room tour of room 207. This is the Courtyard in Marriott, New Haven. It is between New Haven and Milford. Start with a closet, bathroom area. So you got everything you need here. You got your ironing board, iron, lots of closet space, sink area, bathroom here. Nice big, clean, very clean, nice glass door shower here. Decent shower head, but this room is very clean. One thing I noticed about it. And I got a king room. Come in here, got your king bed and this little, I guess, a love seat that actually pulls out to a single bed, and it's pretty comfy. I sat in it. So here is the room. You do have a refrigerator and a microwave. Nice little desk area here. TV slides out. Isn't that neat? Back up a little bit here though. But this is an updated room. This looks pretty modern and it's very clean. So I think the average night to stay here was like 60 or 70 bucks. I think I paid 57. I had a 10% off coupon. So pretty damn good deal for this hotel room. Again, we're at the Courtyard in New Haven, between New Haven and Milford, Connecticut. It's also considered Orange, Connecticut. So if you're looking for a nice, clean hotel in this area, I'd recommend this one. My first time staying here, and I will definitely be back next time I'm here on business in this area. So thanks for watching my room tour here. Please subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. My channel has all kinds of different videos. It's not just hotel reviews, it's cruise ship stuff, you name it, anything to do with traveling. I like cars, motorcycles, that's all on there. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.